What it do, what it is, but you never seen a beauty like this. You guys already know Maybelline done did it and teamed up with Beautycon, and it is lit. They were so nice to send this to me, and this is the Maybelline Total Temptation 601 Blackest Black, and it is lit. You guys are going to see how I apply it. You guys are going to see everything all about it. Look at the packaging, though. Bomb. Bow, chicka, bow, 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 chicka, bow, bow. That's a little wand action. Look at me all happy because it was free. You better go, hey girl. Yeah. Ooh, look at all that free. Ooh, Millie Rock on any block. All right, y'all. So I'm just going to start, and I'm going to wiggle the wand from the root of my lashes to the tip. And that's just how you make sure that each and every lash is coated evenly, and it's going to have the most volume, and it's going to look so bomb. Look. Are y'all looking? Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right. And then I'm going to back up. Ooh, look at the lips. Look at the ash. Look at the crust. And I'm just going to do the same thing and holler at my other eye. And I'm going to wiggle it from root to tip once again. And I look a little cray-cray because I'm going to keep blinking throughout the whole thing. But the whole purpose is that it looks bomb. So let me give you guys a little bit of knowledge on this. This formula is popping. Like, it's really popping. Even though this video is sponsored, my opinion is it's bomb. I've been using Maybelline, like, since I can remember. Like, my first foundation was Maybelline. So Maybelline actually got it started for me. So that's popping, and it was totally dope that I was reached out to do this. So it's popping. And I started on the second coat, and look at it. My lashes went from, look at it. My lashes went from dull to bomb, like seriously. And I'm just going to holler at the other eye and do the same thing again. And this is the second coat on each eye. Back up, take a look. Can't believe it. God damn. I'm going to attempt to get that off. And then I'm like, nah, let me use this dirty sponge. I tried to use a dirty sponge, but then I'm going to realize it's just a dirty sponge. And my lash is too bomb. Zoom out. Look at the lips, crusty. Ooh, I fixed it. And then I'm going to do some slow-mos. But it's really low-key fast. But the highlight, though. The highlight. Look at the highlight. Ooh. 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 And this stuff is not even edited. I didn't even edit this video. I was like, y'all gonna see how I do this. I'm not gonna speed it up. I'm gonna slow it down. Show y'all how I have fun. And then I'm out. Follow me at DBeautyForever. You guys already know everything is down below in the description box.